Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are fine. As we are on the chapter The Adventures of Dying Detectives and we have completed exercise A part 1 and 2. And today we are going to do exercise A part 3 and exercise B part 1. Open your books, page number 41. Okay, students, we have skipped question number C. Where does Culverton Smith usually live? So here's the answer of it. Sumatra. He lives in Sumatra. Now come to page number 41. Exercise A, part 3. Answer the following questions with reference to context. Here are some sentences given to you with some questions, and you have to answer these questions. And these questions are related to your story you have read. So the first one is, it was certainly, as you said, very surprising that he should have contracted an Asiatic disease in the heart of London, a disease too of which I had made such a very special study. Question number 1 is, who is speaking to whom? Mr. Culverton Smith is talking to Sherlock Holmes. Question number 2, who is being referred to? What happened to him? Answer to Mr. Culverton Smith's nephew, Victor Savage. He was murdered by Culverton Smith, who infected him with a deadly disease. Question number 3, where was the disease from? Number 3, answer 3, Sumatra, Asia. Okay, now come to page number 42. Make sure that you are going to copy down the references as well. Number B is, the best way of successfully acting a part is to be it. Question number 1, who is speaking? Answer 1 is Sherlock Holmes. Question number 2, what part has he been acting? Answer 2 is, he has been acting the part of a very ill man who is close to death. Question number 3, in what way he being it? Answer 3 is, Holmes did not eat or drink for 3 days to make himself seem gaunt and weak. Question number 4, what did the person want to do soon after this? Answer 4 is, he wants to eat something nutritious at a place called Simpson's. Okay, here we have completed exercise A, part 1, 2 and 3. Now moving to exercise B, part 1. Working with the words. There are a number of words in the dictionary for which meaning have not been given in the words to know section. Here are some of them. First, find the words in the dictionary, then look up the words in a dictionary and finally use them in your own sentences. Here are some words given to you: hectic, nutritious, profusely, rasping, semi-delirious, promptness, niggard, fast, snarling, labored, and intrusion. So you have to look up these words into the dictionary, write down the meaning of these words in your registers, and make sure that you are going to make the sentences of these words as well. You have to do this work by yourself. Write down date and day on each page and do your work properly. If you still have any confusion regarding this video, you can ask in the group.